This is the first phase, and you are right. The second phase, we are going to begin. We hope to advertise. We got about 12.5 billion shillings from African Development Bank. That one is going to cover 35 counties, and we anticipate to start actual construction after tendering from March next year, and that is going to help us with a million more households that I've talked about, plus GOK funded, because you know very well that REREC is funded by Government of Kenya through the Exchequer. So when we combine the funding for the development partners and the funding for GOK, then we are sure that we'll be able to hit another million target by next year.
In this particular village, this is the last project. In other words, the entire of this village will be covered. Because we have Acuna, we had an Acuna project, we had an Anjaro project, we had another project down here, and this is the last one. So we will cover the people of this area through this particular project. It has been, that is why it is called Kakurine Tour electrification project.
Watu wengine waliaso huko ndani na watu mwingi toina stima, na mimi ninatumia mafuta ya taa, na mafuta ya taa yakileta sinda nitakaa huko kuangisha, na ngikaa nangisha vachoso iko hapa, na hata mimi na mzee tuko huko, na ina njia ingine ya kufanya.
Kama stima zimekuja sasa, mimi nitaweza kuweka workshop yangu pale nyumbani na niweze kuendelea na kazi, niwatengenezee milango, niwatengenezee madirisha,